Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to learn local and global coordinate systems. Global coordinate system is a coordinate system which we use to generate any 3D finite element model. Beams, columns, supports, etc. are defined using joints or nodes. Joints or nodes are defined using their global coordinates. Joints or nodes have three different coordinate values, x, y, and z values corresponding to x, y, and z axis. Here we have a beam element. The origin joint and the terminal joint are shown in the image. And this is the local coordinate system. X-axis passes through the longitudinal axis of the element. Y-axis passes through the center of the width of the element. And Z-axis passes through the center of the depth of the element. If this is a moment-released beam, and if W is a load in Y direction, it will induce shear in Y direction, but the rotation at supports will be about Z-axis. Usually loads are in Y direction, and therefore if needed, moments should be released about Z-axis. Similarly, if the load in Z direction, it will induce shear in Z direction, but the rotation at supports will be about Y-axis. And therefore, if needed, moments should be released about Y-axis. Please note that load in X direction will not cause rotation about any axis. Akses RCBD. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.